Hobyo Sultanate. The Hobyo Sultanate, also known as the Hobyo Sultanate, was a powerful Somali state that existed during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It was located in present-day Somalia, specifically in the region around the town of Hobyo, which is situated on the eastern coast of the country. The Sultanate was established in the 1870s by Sultan Yusuf Ali Kanadid, who hailed from the Majeerteen clan. Under his leadership, the Hobyo Sultanate rapidly expanded its influence and controlled a vast territory along the central and southern parts of the Somali coast, encompassing towns such as El Bur, Zaradhir, and Merka. The Hobyo Sultanate was known for its robust naval power, which allowed it to dominate the trade routes in the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea. The Sultanate's navy, consisting of locally built dhow ships armed with cannons, successfully fended off European colonial powers such as the Italians and the British, who were attempting to establish control over the region. Sultan Yusuf Ali Kanadid's successors, especially his son, Sultan Ahmed Yusuf, continued to expand the Sultanate's influence and maintain its independence. The Hobyo Sultanate engaged in trade, particularly in ivory, ostrich feathers, and frankincense, which brought wealth to the region. The Sultanate's power began to decline in the early 20th century due to internal conflicts and external pressures. European colonial powers intensified their efforts to establish control over the Somali territories, and the Hobyo Sultanate eventually succumbed to Italian colonization in 1925. The legacy of the Hobyo Sultanate remains significant in Somali history, representing a period of Somali resistance against European colonialism. The Sultanate's naval prowess and ability to maintain independence for a considerable period of time made it an important symbol of Somali nationalism. Today, the remnants of the Hobyo Sultanate's architecture, such as the fortress in Hobyo, serve as a reminder of its historical significance. The fortress in Hobyo, also known as the Hobyo Hafun Castle or Qasr Hobyo, is a notable architectural remnant from the era of the Hobyo Sultanate. The fortress is situated on a coastal hill in Hobyo, a town located in the Mudug region of Somalia. It was constructed using traditional Somali architectural techniques and materials, primarily made of coral stone. Coral stone was a common building material in the region due to its abundance along the Somali coast. The design of the fortress reflects its defensive purpose. It features thick walls with battlements and watchtowers strategically placed to provide a vantage point for surveillance and defense against potential threats. The walls were built using layers of coral stone, creating a sturdy and imposing structure. The fortress is believed to have multiple levels, including underground chambers and tunnels. These underground spaces likely served various functions, such as storage, shelter, and escape routes during times of conflict. While specific details about the internal arrangements and architectural ornamentation, it is likely that the interior spaces were designed to accommodate the needs of the Sultan and his court. This could include private quarters, meeting halls, and ceremonial spaces. Unfortunately, due to the passage of time and natural elements, the fortress has suffered significant deterioration. However, efforts have been made to preserve and restore the site to ensure its historical significance is not lost. It's worth noting that my information is based on historical records and descriptions available up until September 2023. For the most accurate and up-to-date information about the current state of the fortress in Hobyo, I recommend consulting local sources or conducting further research. In fact, the history of our country, Somalia, and our people cannot be summarized here, and it is a very long history. Please watch if you are new, join to us and open the bell so as to get our programs anytime. This program has been prepared for you by Linje Ade. See you again. Bye-bye.